effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Love County, Oklahoma, and the following counties: